Managing your contacts and lists is just as important as sending out your constant contact emails. In this short video, we'll go over things like editing a contact, adding contacts to different lists, deleting contacts, renaming lists, and deleting lists. To begin, let's start with editing a contact. Click the Contacts tab, and then click here. Do a search for the contact you want to edit. Click on your contact, and then just click to start editing. From here, you can change or add any information to this contact. When you're finished editing your contact details, click Save. Now that you know how to edit a contact, let's go over adding contacts to different lists. Click to open your list, and then select all of the contacts you want to add to a different list. Click Actions, and then select Add to List. Then, click the drop-down here to select the list you want to add these contacts to. Then click Add. Depending on how many contacts you selected, this could take a few minutes. Now that we've gone over some of the maintenance of contacts, let's go over deleting contacts. Click the Contacts tab, and then do a search for the contact you want to delete. Click here, and then choose Delete. A pop-up will display asking if you're sure you want to delete this contact. Confirm that you do want to delete the contact, and that's it. Next, let's go over renaming and deleting your lists. Just click here for any list you want to rename, and select Rename from the drop-down. Give your list a new name, and then click Rename. On that same drop-down, if you want to delete a list, just click Delete. When you click Delete, though, a pop-up will display asking if you want to delete the list and contacts, or delete the list only. Deleting the list and contacts will delete the list and all of the contacts on it. If the contacts exist on other lists, they will not be deleted from those other lists. Delete the list only will only delete the list. Contacts will not be removed from your account. Once you've made your selection, just click Delete. Another way you can manage your contacts is modifying the display columns. By modifying what information shows in the Contacts table, you can set up your contacts view with the data that's most important to you. While you're viewing all of your contacts, click Modify Columns. From here, you can start customizing. Just click each drop-down to choose the data you want to display. You can choose up to 7 columns to display. If you want to delete any, just click the X. Click Save when you're finished. And that covers all of the different ways you can manage your contacts and lists with Constant Contact.